this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Ancient Mage title fast here in Sailor Piece in Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this is one of the best damage boosts here in C2, giving you about a 90% increase, and you also need to craft the Great Mage Sword. But to get it, you do have to defeat the Great Mage boss here on Easter Island. However, the boss does not spawn for free. So first things first, you need to go ahead and get yourself some Easter keys. You can go ahead and get these from the little bunny NPCs that spawn in this exact same section. So take out these bunny NPCs and farm these keys. Now, obviously, the drop rate isn't great, so the fastest way is just using a strong build and farming in a private server. That's what I would recommend doing if you want to get them quickly, because the drop rate is absolutely horrible. It's actually, I think it's only like 1.7% if I'm correct. It might actually be even lower than that. But once you get those keys, make your way over to the Great Mage Summoner NPC right over here. Interact with her just like so, and then of course you can spawn in the NPC for 1 Easter key on normal, making your way up to extreme for 4 Easter keys. This drop rate is unbelievably rare, so expect to grind a lot. There is a pity system that does guarantee the title after about 150 to 200 boss kills. So while farming, just keep checking your title menu so you do not miss it. That is the entire process, though. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.